Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by 0.4% to 29,237.5 compared to the same day last year. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 0.32% to 1838.71, while the price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by 1.3% to 242.4.
Latest news.
Binance leads in spot trading volume despite centralized exchanges' overall decrease in July. Binance leads the July spot trading market with a volume of 2.1 billion, despite a 12% decline in CX transactions. Upbit follows with a 42.3% increase in spot trading volume at 29.1 billion. CME's cryptocurrency options volume increases by 24%, while Bitcoin options volume surges by 16.6% to 234 million. CME's futures volume drops by 17.6% and 17% respectively, while total derivatives volume decreases by 17%. The uptick in CME Bitcoin options trading volume may be due to institutions using options to hedge their positions in uncertain market conditions. Weekly market highlights. Curve Finance suffers exploit. NAN's research team releases weekly market highlights, highlighting key events and views from the week. The team's initiative is to summarize the week's key developments and market trends. The U.S. Treasury increases the size of its quarterly bond sales to $1.10 CB, leading to a sell-off in Treasuries and a 10-year yield reaching the highest level in 10 years. The Sway network undergoes an upgrade, enabling liquid staking for its native token, and Litecoin executes its block reward halving, reducing the reward for miners from 12.5 LTC to 6.25 LTC. The decentralized exchange PancakeSwap announced that it will start sharing trading fee revenue with stackers of its native token, Cake, and the DYDX Perpetual's decentralized exchange proposed to reduce rewards to liquidity providers. The new meme-coin bald attracted significant attention, but an abrupt liquidity withdrawal caused the token to plunge. The team also releases publications such as Navigating DeFi Derivatives, Q2, State of Crypto, Market Pulse, and Real-World Assets, State of the Market. Binance Research is the research arm of Binance, the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange, and the team aims to be the thought leader in the crypto space. Suspected JPEG'd attacker returns 6,106.75 ETH. The suspected attacker responsible for the JPEG'd incident has returned 6,106.75 ETH, a positive development for the platform and its stakeholders. The incident occurred on July 30th and the organization confirmed that the contracts were secure and had not been hacked. SEC freezes Deadbox assets, alleging a Moonwell fraudulent crypto scheme. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has issued a temporary asset freeze and restraining order against Utah-based Digital Licensing Inc., operating as Deadbox, accusing it of a multi-million fraudulent crypto scheme. The SEC alleged that Deadbox, a blockchain mining software firm, was selling unregistered securities in the form of node licenses that were meant to obscure the company's control over the total supply of tokens. The company's four principals, including Jason Anderson, Jacob Anderson, Shad Brannon, and Roy Nelson, as well as 13 other defendants, are accused of lying to investors about their involvement in crypto mining and the node licenses. The SEC is seeking permanent injunctions, return of ill-gotten gains, and civil penalties against Deadbox and its principals. Ondo Finance introduces USD Yield, USDY, the world's first tokenized note secured by U.S. Treasuries. Ondo Finance has launched USD Yield, USDY, a tokenized note secured by U.S. Treasuries and bank deposits, offering a potential starting yield of 5% APY. The token is a bearer instrument with comparable accessibility to stablecoins, but starting at 5% APY. The senior secured debt is backed by Ondo USDY LLC, which is purposefully designed to be bankruptcy remote. USDY tokens can be transferred on-chain after a 40-day waiting period to investors who meet applicable requirements, including those residing outside the US and not subject to jurisdictional restrictions. Argo blockchain releases July operational update, reports decrease in BTC mining. Argo Blockchain plc has announced a decrease in BTC mining but an increase in the company's total hash rate capacity for July 2023. The company mined 129 BTC or 4.2 BTC per day, which is an 11% decrease from June 2023. The decline is primarily attributed to increased downtime at Helios due to weather-related curtailment and on-site construction. Despite the drop in BTC mining, the company's mining revenue for July remained relatively stable at $3.81 million. The company has installed and energized 1,242 block miner machines at its facilities in Quebec, representing roughly 130 PHS of additional capacity, which will increase the company's total hash rate capacity to 2.6 EHS. The company's economic curtailment programs are expected to bolster the Texas grid stability during peak demand periods while lowering overall power costs. Interim CEO Sif El Bakli expressed enthusiasm for the growth in hash rate capacity and the efforts of the technical and operations teams. Moonwell to deploy its open lending and DeFi protocol on base mainnet. Moonwell, an open lending and DeFi protocol, will be deploying on the base mainnet. Moonwell is built on Moonbeam and Moonriver and aims to increase accessibility and enhance DeFi offerings. Deployment on base mainnet will provide opportunities for seamless integration across different blockchain networks. Say Network announces Mainnet Readiness. Say Network's mainnet is ready, boasts fully global and physically decentralized network system for enhanced robustness and resilience. Say Network's Atlantic 2 testnet achieved the fastest block finalization times of any blockchain, even with validator nodes spread across 12 countries on 3 continents. The mainnet-ready version of the Say network is designed as a fully global and physically decentralized network, extending its capabilities and strengthening the reliability of its blockchain system. This launch marks a significant milestone in the development and expansion of the Say network platform. Binance Options announces WebSocket system upgrade on August 7, 2023. Binance Options is scheduled to upgrade its WebSocket server on August 7, 2023, at 12:00 UTC. The upgrade is expected to bring performance and stability improvements. Users may experience disconnection during the 20-minute upgrade period, but can re-establish connection. Users utilizing the API can also regain access by refreshing the page. The upgrade will not affect options trading. Ethereum Core developers delay Devnet 8release pending new 4788 specification implementation. Ethereum Core developers have postponed the release of Devnet 8 until the new 4788 specification is implemented. The meeting focused on deployment plans and the audit formal verification process. Developers agreed to continue using regular contracts with system-written transactions instead of precompiled ones. The Ethereum Foundation's development team launched a development network with 2.1 million validators, and plans to work with client teams on issues related to finalization and block gossip. Developers introduced and discussed 2 account abstraction EIP proposals and provided updates on Verkle by Guillaume Ballet and Josh Rudolph. The decision to delay Devnet 8's release is aimed at ensuring a solid foundation for upcoming network developments. Sam Bankman-Fried could face jail as DOJ pushes for incarceration. FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried is facing potential incarceration, as the Department of Justice, DOJ, argues for his statement pending trial on accusations of massive financial fraud. The DOJ has presented a second filing, highlighting Bankman-Fried's actions, including sharing XL Research CEO Caroline Ellison's diary with the New York Times, and reaching out to FTX U.S. General Counsel Ryan Miller. The DOJ claims that these actions went beyond simply making a fair comment and were covert steps to discredit a trial witness and taint the jury pool. Bankman-Fried's defense has claimed that the government is mischaracterizing his actions to paint him in a negative light, but the DOJ suggests that the defense team is mischaracterizing their actions as well. The Southern District of New York judge is overseeing the case and may schedule another hearing to discuss the filings. ARK Invest releases Bitcoin monthly earnings report. ARK Invest releases monthly report highlighting Bitcoin trends, including bullish reversal, holding behavior and potential Fed rate hike impact. Report highlights include Bitcoin supported at short-term holder cost basis and 200 WMA, facing resistance at real-line adjusted realized price. Signs of minor capitulation in July point to potential bullish reversal. ARK Invest's short-term holder profit-loss ratio close to 1. Binance BNB token faces consolidation at key support levels, with a break below $210, potentially spelling trouble. Bitwise submits 2 futures ETF applications related to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitwise has applied for 2 ETFs focused on Bitcoin and Ethereum, increasing the number of Ethereum futures ETF applications received by the SEC to 12. The move comes amidst growing interest in cryptocurrency-related ETFs. The SEC has now received a total of 12 applications for Ethereum futures ETFs. Bitwise proposal includes Bitwise Bitcoin and Ether Equal Weight Strategy ETF and Bitwise Bitcoin and Ether Market Cap Weight Strategy ETF. The increasing number of cryptocurrency-focused ETF applications signals a strong interest from the financial sector in integrating digital assets within traditional investment instruments. The SEC is reviewing these applications, and market participants eagerly await the regulator's decision and potential impact on the crypto market.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.